here in Houston, Cypress, or Katy, Texas, because there is limited inventory available and you're afraid you won't be able to find a replacement property? I know it's a valid concern, and I totally understand. I would be nervous too, but there are lots of solutions to this problem, and we've helped sellers this year who've had the same concern and the same problem navigate a solution that worked for them. Hi, I'm Natasha Carroll with Natasha Carroll Realty. We've got many solutions and strategies in finding a replacement home, even with limited inventory, that we can discuss when we meet with you. One solution is to look at new construction. There are several communities locally, and we have excellent relationships with several of them. It's super important to work with an agent when purchasing new construction so that you have protection. But that's an entirely new video series. Many times builders with new construction have homes that have fallen out of escrow and that they want to sell those quickly because of the carrying costs. Another safety net, if you're worried about finding a replacement home, is that there are several phases of construction, and you could find a home now that you wouldn't have to move in until a later date. You can put a deposit on a new home, and we could work with the buyer and negotiate terms that keep you safe so you wouldn't have to worry about having somewhere to go. There are many more solutions we have with getting you the home of your dreams, even with limited inventory. So give us a call, and don't worry, there is never any pressure or any obligation when meeting with us. We're just here to help you navigate the best strategy when selling your home. If you want to see more videos right now on some of the solutions to selling with limited inventory and how we can help you navigate through the fear of not being able to find a replacement home, just click the link below. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, have an awesome home buying and selling day.